Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be making my favorite cocktail from scratch at home. Now in these cocktails I make from home, the idea is to have the same cocktail without having to put in as much work.
Basically what Josh was trying to say is you're not always gonna have the same ingredients that you would have at work rather than you would at home. So the idea is to try and create the same cocktail that you would at work, but at home with the limited ingredients that you have.
Now this one in particular is a very easy cocktail. We aren't really gonna cut any corners. The only thing is I don't have Nonino Amaro and I'm gonna use Montenegro. It's a great Amaro still and it's just a good solution. In these cocktails, I'm not gonna do much prep. And because of that, I want you to know behind the camera not everything's perfect. So the only prep you'll maybe see done would be like lemon juice already juiced or something like that. In this video, I'm gonna juice it. Just for those of you who don't know how to juice a lemon, it's gonna happen. So let's make the paper plane. Okay, so we're gonna build into the tin. We're gonna cut this lemon in half, and then we're gonna get a whole ounce out of it. That's what I want. It's 1 whole ounce of lemon juice in this jigger. Okay, like I said, this is gonna be just as literally me at home. I'm not gonna dress up for these videos. I want you to feel as comfortable as you would in your own home. You don't have to do anything crazy in these videos because I'm not gonna do anything crazy in these videos. So conveniently enough, that's close enough to an ounce. It is like right there, almost on the rim of the jigger, so I'm just gonna pour it in. It's close enough. No need for me to waste this other half of the lemon. We're at home. Do what you can. All right, so now we're gonna go whole ounce of Aperol into the jigger. Into the tin. Sorry. We're gonna go Buffalo Trace. It's not top shelf, but it's actually a really good bourbon, and for some reason it's been hard to get your hands on lately. For a reasonable price, anyways. All right, now we're gonna go Montenegro. Just such a great Amaro. Throw that in. We have our equal parts of literally all 4 ingredients. Now, let's grab ice, put it in our tin. So we're gonna shake this fucker up. Put that there. Give it a good shake. You want it to actually condensate on the outside. For this one shot, this is the only type of preparation I'm gonna do for these videos, is the nice shot of the cocktail being poured into the glass. So, I typically at home wouldn't double strain, but for the first video, I'm gonna double strain this cocktail. Shaking pretty well, it looks freaking beautiful. And now we're gonna double strain into this glass. Look at that color, man. And that's what a paper plane is supposed to look like. Maybe if I was at work, I would literally fold a napkin or a piece of paper into a paper plane, put it right here on the side. I'm not at home. I conveniently have some dehydrated fruit, so we're just gonna plop that thing right on top, and we're gonna call that a paper plane. It is beautiful, it is delicious. I guarantee it's gonna be perfect. Let's take a look at it. Go ahead, take a look at that. That is a paper plane. Such a great cocktail. Let's give it a taste, see if it tastes like a paper plane. Man, that is good. My favorite cocktail. Give it a try at home. Use with the ingredients you got. Don't stress out if you don't have the right Amaro, or if you don't have the best bourbon you can get your hands on, or if you have Campari rather than Aperol. The cocktail was originally made with Campari, so give it a try. It's just gonna be a little more bitter. Thank you guys for stopping by. My name is Josh, and I appreciate you for stopping by. Peace out.